And hello again at Stocks Advisor channel. So today we'll talk about Boston Scientific Corporation traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name BSX. Well, BSX today did show a positive move of 2.75%, finishing at 36.24, and now after hours trading a little bit negative 36.02, which is minus 0.61% if you will look from the ending price of today. So a little bit, let's say, bearish, could be seeing momentarily or just volatility price action, but it's okay for a company with market capitalization size of 51 billion plus. It's very big move, and actually if you look more careful at the chart, you see there a serious reversive momentum is taking place. So overall, very nice stock to buy. And to understand this, let's do analysis for Boston Scientific. So first of all, at our daily charts, you see three moving averages depicted in the form of three colorful lines. These are moving average 20, 50, and 200, being green, blue, and red line correspondingly. Here on the left, you see their legends. So what do we see? What is the most important to observe here? Quickly speaking, if you look moving average 20, the fast moving price action line did start bending upwards and going to accelerative mode already from mid of December, and this price action is continuous, and it also worked by 20th of December, 22nd, 23rd as a support line for upwards wave now, which is very nice. So we're starting a second wave, which is starting volatile in the vicinity of between, let's say, 35, 36.50. And the same is the case for moving average 200. It's starting to bend upwards, and you see that moving average 50 is still going downwards, but you see deceleration, so it's also about to bend. If you would imagine it continue, it also should turn upwards. So overall, what does it mean? First of all, we are of course preparing the magic cross up when moving average 20 will hit from the bottom moving average 50 here, and this will be very bullish momentum at that time. And also you see that all three moving averages are about to go up, and when this is taking place, so situation not for moving average 200 but for moving average, let's say 20 and 50, could be similar to the one observed here by end of July. If you see in this brown box, that's exactly the situation that could be taking place here. Therefore, the price would really go high. And if you look, you can clearly see that the downwards trend that was seen here, that this one, R1, and the bottom of this trend, actually this line, it's now clearly broken, and you can see that we are higher than that, and moving averages are suggesting we are about to start a new trend, and looks like we are forming it now as we speak. So it's very hard to say what would be exact angle of it, what would be the exact height of it, how it will go, but you can see it is developing. Still could be a volatility play here, because still we need some decisive action to go higher, but it's possible to go high. At least it is expected to go to the previous volatility points of previous waves, let's say of about in this channel somewhere around 39.40. So this would be the target for the overall price action. Let's say price target, next price target would be here. And with this having said, if you would think of how to buy and to enter, of course, you need to be careful and enter the best possible entry prices. And therefore, it is advised already to enter here within the size of the current price action. So within the size of the current body of the current candle. So it would be this dark circle to enter, and then just to sit and wait until we go to the price target. Of course, there could be some volatility, we could still pierce downwards a little bit moving average 20. This is also possible, could be observed and usually observed for this kind of situation. So we might temporarily return inside of the trading channel R1, R2. But if this is going to happen, it's okay. We just need to be prepared and to average down, and then it would be advised to average down in this very strong channel, which is two support lines here, and this channel would be S1, S2. So you can then average down here if the price pierces further in this area. And again, if it goes really low, really lower level, which is very unusual, very unexpected, but if this is going to happen, then you can just take, let's say, average down inside of this mid-channel move, exactly where we started our increase of price in the mid of December. And if this is taking place, the last, again, very rare, almost impossible, only possible maybe if some strong negative catalyst comes or there is more bearish expectation, let's call this line V1 volatility or mid-channel, then you can enter last time, average down last time on this line. In the vicinity of it, this would be the last entry, last average down. But most probably the S1, S2 channel will be the last one to enter before the final reverse. And here it's advised to buy with 1-2 strategy, meaning that the funds you would like to play here, you can split in 5. Then you can already buy with 1 portion, then you can average down first time with 2 and second time average down again with 2 portions according to the entry levels described here with the dark circles. This way it will be the best optimization of profit versus loss. And if you actually look carefully for Boston Scientific, again, as we just discussed, we see a clear indication of piercing of R1, higher level of the channel of R1, R2. We might still sit on it and decline with R1 slightly. Therefore, the second entry position, entry level is discussed here, and then we could increase. So the first fast move action would be immediate go up until the price target, and the second would be first slide down a little bit and then go up here. And if this is PT1, first price target, of course, it's longer term, still questionable, but the price target that will be the, let's say, most desirable, or you can say the channel of the price where we could really go, would be actually here with these lines that were observed previously, well, a little bit lower like this. So this would be actually our price target, PT2, let's call it. So this is our channel where we are heading to. So it will be PT1, PT2, the first channel and price target where we want to head. And this stock can indeed go in the midterm, because you can clearly see we are bottoming and volatiling in the area between actually the current price action and S2 channel. And now it's about to turn, still could slide down to R1, but then should reverse it finally. So in that sense, company is doing quite well, and it is very nice to enter, for especially for those who would like to play more midterm, let's say, trade. Very good stock, not too fast moving in a sense of price action daily, but still, although with a huge market capitalization, also volatile enough to satisfy daily traders as well. So very nice stock, very good pick, I think, for today's channel video. Please try it if you like. Also, as you can see, we give an analysis in advance, either in immediate action or up to 5 weeks. It also means that all the videos at our channel are still fresh and not, let's say, due. So you can just check them, and maybe situation discussed there is also just about to happen. So you can place your price targets there as well and play there. And as always, don't be too greedy, take profit in time, be successful many times. So check other videos, there are always many opportunities we discuss daily at our channel. So try it, check it, be consistent rather than trying to be rich from one trade. This is usually impossible, it's kind of casino style, and usually it's a recipe for disaster, and the reason why many beginning traders fail to make any profit. So with this having said, good luck with Boston Scientific. Please check other videos. If you are first time watching this video at our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, please press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks. With this having said, good luck with BSX, and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor channel.